Today I'll be teaching you guys how to delete your contacts in Google Chat. So there is no such thing as contact. In Google Chat, you add people using their email. You do not add somebody using their phone number because it's called Google Chat. So I have added my friend one to step using his Gmail. So if I want to delete his contact, what I basically need to do is delete my conversation with him and he will basically be removed. What I need to do is click on his profile or click on his chat first. Once I click on his name, my chat with him will open up. Now what I need to do is click on his profile picture at the top left of my screen and it's going to take me over here. Now at the bottom it shows me delete conversation. If I click on delete conversation and click on delete, my entire conversation with him will be deleted and he will automatically be removed from my chat feed over here like this. This is the only method you guys can do. You cannot delete a contact because in Google Chat you cannot add someone as a friend. You have to search for them using their email. So if I search for somebody using their email again, they will be shown. That's how you guys can delete your contact in Google Chat. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.